Ever wondered why so many people are plagued by common digestive issues like constipation, bloating, or irregular bowel movements? Well, the answer may lie in nature's own medicine cabinet. Enter Cascara Sagrada, a remarkable tree bark brimming with health benefits, waiting to be discovered. Hailing from the North American West Coast, Cascara Sagrada, also known as sacred bark, has been used for centuries by indigenous people for its therapeutic properties. Its claim to fame: a gentle, yet effective laxative. Now, it might not sound glamorous, but a healthy digestive system is the foundation of good health. Cascara Sagrada works wonders by stimulating the muscles in your intestines, encouraging regular and healthy bowel movements. This not only helps to relieve the discomfort of constipation, but also aids in detoxification. By regularly flushing out toxins, Cascara Sagrada supports the body's natural cleansing processes, contributing to a healthier you. But that's not all. Cascara Sagrada is a rich source of compounds called anthraquinones. These powerful antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, offering protection against a range of health issues, from inflammation to heart disease. Moreover, Cascara Sagrada has also been linked to improved liver health. It assists in the production of bile, a crucial component in the digestion and absorption of fats. This means that Cascara Sagrada not only helps keep your bowels moving, but also supports efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. To sum up, Cascara Sagrada is a true powerhouse of health benefits. It serves as a gentle laxative, promoting regular bowel movements and overall digestive health. It aids in detoxification, supporting the body's natural cleansing processes. Its rich source of antioxidants offers protection against various health issues, and it contributes to improved liver health by aiding in bile production. In a world where we're often quick to reach for synthetic solutions to our health problems, it's worth remembering that sometimes nature provides the best remedies. So the next time you find yourself grappling with digestive woes, remember the humble Cascara Sagrada, a small piece of tree bark with a big impact on health.